Many professions are likely to continue thriving alongside AI, primarily because they involve skills and tasks that are challenging for machines to replicate. These professions often require complex decision-making, creativity, empathy, and human interaction. Here are some examples of professions that are expected to remain relevant despite the rise of AI. Healthcare professionals. Jobs such as doctors, nurses, surgeons, and healthcare administrators require a high degree of human interaction, empathy, and complex decision-making. While AI can assist with diagnostic tasks, human healthcare professionals will continue to be in demand for patient care and treatment planning. Creative professions. Artists, writers, musicians, designers, and other creative professionals rely on human creativity and emotional expression, which are difficult for AI to replicate. Therapists and counselors. The human element of therapy, including empathy, active listening, and understanding, makes these roles less susceptible to automation. Teachers and educators. Educators play a crucial role in facilitating learning, mentoring, and supporting students' social and emotional development. While AI can assist in personalized learning, human teachers will remain central to the educational process. Research scientists. While AI can help with data analysis and simulations, scientific research often involves formulating hypotheses, designing experiments, and making breakthrough discoveries that require human creativity and insight. Legal professionals, lawyers, judges, and legal experts engage in complex legal reasoning, negotiation, and decision-making that involve legal, ethical, and social nuances. While AI can aid in legal research, human judgment remains essential. Senior caregivers and geriatric specialists. Caring for the elderly involves emotional support, companionship, and adapting to the unique needs of individual patients, which are challenging for machines to provide. Management and leadership. Effective leadership and management involve making strategic decisions, setting a vision, and motivating and leading teams, which require emotional intelligence and human skills. Skilled trades. Professions such as electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and mechanics require manual dexterity and problem-solving skills that are hard to automate. Human resources and talent management. HR professionals are responsible for recruiting, training, and managing a diverse workforce, which often involves complex interpersonal interactions.